Hey guys, I'm Justin with UTV Pros out of Hurricane, Utah. We're out here at Sand Hollow today testing out the RS1. So we stretched this car 20 inches. So they started out at 83 inches. Now it's 103 with a long travel kit from HCR. We got the 17-inch metal FX with 37 Maxxis Rockzillas on it. And we really just tried to make, the ultimate kind of crawler-ish buggy. It's pretty cool to drive this thing and see, both tires because you're, single seat sitting in the middle. So it has great visibility and it's just so well balanced. It's pretty incredible what this car will do.